Hey, just wanted to record this video for you real quick. I just realized I don't have a Loom video of the tree surface checklist, and so yeah, so here you go, Tony. It's just it's a simple funnel. It's got the offer claim step, call this the crazy discount funnel, the appointment scheduling step after the lead comes in, and then the confirmation. So it's a very effective 3-step funnel that works across any number of industries. The automations that I have, you can see everything is clean and organized. There's no way, if you have another snapshot loaded already and you import this one, they're not going to get mixed up. You'll know exactly which automations and custom values and funnel go with this one. Yep, new lead, birthday templates, database reactivation. I have, let me see. Let's see. White label video walkthroughs, scribe onboarding. I'm going to be adding a prepay funnel for this, for a deposit for jobs. A soap opera sequence, which is like a very involved email follow-up series. Holiday email and SMS automations. You're going to get a full website and upgraded funnels. Before and after funnels and automations for remarketing and retargeting campaigns, and then trigger links. So those are all updates that you're gonna get at no extra charge. You can see the automations that are there. You'll be able to go through those, and then the custom values. This is how you update the funnel. Super duper easy. You're just gonna go ahead, put in the name of the service, the discount amount, the market, upload the logo. This is your agency name and email that's gonna be used to send the leads. And then once you get a domain connected to the funnel, just copy and paste the calendar link and the funnel link right here. That's it, man. Once you get that loaded, you can change the like the background images and the team images. If you have a client that needs this, they're gonna have pictures on their phone. So just have them send you a few, say, hey, I need pictures of you, need pictures of your trucks, your team, pictures of you guys, taking care of trees on a job, and then you can load those as background images and images on the page. So this is what you're gonna get, $97. I'll send it over to you pretty much instantly, man.